In this video, we're going to do a couple of problems involving order of operations in order to help you practice using order of operations to solve expressions. So here are the two problems that we're going to be doing, and here are the rules that we're going to be using in applying order of operations. PEMDAS is the acronym, and that just reminds us that we're going to do parentheses first, exponents second, multiplication or division left to right, and then addition or subtraction left to right. So let's get to it. I'm going to rewrite this first problem and just describe what's going on. So this is 5 times 2 minus 3 plus, in parentheses, 5 plus 3 times 2. Now note there's an asterisk between the 3 and the 2 right here. That just is a substitute for the multiplication symbol, because sometimes using an X gets confusing. So an asterisk when you're typing it or a dot when you're writing it is a good substitute. All right, now we want to do the parentheses first. So we have this parenthesis right here, but within that we have multiplication and addition. So we need to do that multiplication first. So let me rewrite this first part. 5 times 2 minus 3 plus, and then I'm going to simplify that multiplication. 3 times 2 is 6, so it's going to be 5 plus 6. Now we can finish that parenthesis by adding the 5 and the 6. Just rewriting the first part, 5 times 2 minus 3 plus, now we can drop the parenthesis and just write the number 11. Okay, now finally we can do this first multiplication, because everything else is addition and subtraction. So 5 times 2 is going to give us 10, and then minus 3 and plus 11. Now we're going to do addition and subtraction left to right. So I'm going to do this part first. That's the most left. That's going to give us the number 7. And then finally we add 11, and we can see that that's going to give us 18, our answer to number 1. Okay, let me clear the screen and we'll move on to problem 2. So in this problem we have an exponent, 4 squared, we'll get to that in a minute, 13 minus 5 in parentheses, and 9 plus 14. So what I want to demonstrate here is we want to do the parentheses first, but we can do each one at the same time. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to leave that exponent alone because that's our second priority. We're going to first simplify 13 minus 5. That is 8. So we can just write 8 there, no parenthesis, the addition symbol, and we simplify the second parenthesis. 9 plus 14 is 23. We've done the parentheses. Now we move on to the exponents, and we have one. 4 squared just means 4 times 4. So we take the product of 4 and 4, we get 16. So now our exponent's gone. We're working our way down that list. Done the exponents. Now we are to multiplication or division left to right. We see that we have division here. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So we'll take that step, and then all we have left is plus 23, and we can see that that equals 25. So 25 is our answer to the second problem. Let me clear the screen, and now we will go to your practice problems. There they are. The order of operations table is up there to remind you of the steps to take. And these expressions are almost identical to the ones that we just worked on. The numbers have just been changed a little bit. So go ahead and work your way through those. And you can pause the video right now, and then I will reveal the answer when you continue. There we go, the answers to those questions, number 1, 32, and number 2, 27.